Hi, my name is Elizabeth from Elizabeth Training. In this very short video, I'm going to show you how to manage multiple data sources that you may gather from one person in your study. So for this example, I've created a person one who took part in a diary entry, also 2 sets of interviews and an observation. So four sources belongs to the same person. Now, ordinarily, if we were to create document as cases so we can assign demographic characteristics, we will end up having 4 individual sources that the software might think it belongs to 4 people, but no, they all belong to one person. So to get around it, we need to first of all create the 4 sources as a set. So the set facility is located right here. Let me push things around a bit so you can see. So we have the set here. And so I'm going to right mouse click on this 4 selected documents and then create as static set. So I'm going to call the set by the name that I want to assign to this person, which is person 1. And notice that all 4 documents belong to person 1. So you click on OK. And the set which I've created, we need to go and visit it, is here. Let me just bring things a bit up. So if I click on person 1, you notice that we have the shortcut of the original transcript indicated that the 4 belong to person 1, and that's exactly what we need. Now it's time for us to take person 1 into the casebook and then assign it to the demographic characteristics like any individual document. So under the status set, you will right mouse click on it, and then you will create it as code. Now in the Windows environment, when you go through this, you get to now choose between the codes and the cases, and of course it's the cases that we want. So we've put the individual, which is person 1, into the case folder, and then you go for OK. Now we still want to maintain the same name, person 1, and then you go for OK. Right, so that part of creating a collection belonging to one person, we have successfully delivered it. So it's person 1 who has got 4 files to, his collection. Now, the next thing obviously is to allow this person to see the demographic table. So previously I've set up just a very basic participant demographic, and I've just introduced gender and age. So I'm going to bring that person to this demographic table. So back onto the case, I will then right mouse click, and then from the drop down menu, I will go into classification, and I've got the participant demographic showing. So the person 1 now can access the attributes within the classification. So let's just go and finish it off. Back in the case classification, I've got the participant demographics. So if I open it, double click on the participant demographic, the only person waiting to receive assignment of its gender or his gender and the age is this person 1. So you will drop it down and you know what to do from here. Let's pretend that person is a male of a particular age. So I would suggest maybe 18 to 30. So that's the end of it. This is how to do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find it very useful.